and welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda, and today I'm going to be doing a quarantine apartment tour for you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, just to keep you guys up to date, hi, I'm Amanda and I am currently in South Korea. I'm here for a job. I'm going to be an English teacher. So this apartment, I am just quarantined here. This is not the apartment I am going to be living in for the duration of my contract. This apartment is in Incheon. I believe it's like an Airbnb. My school arranged all of this for me. The apartment is a studio one-room apartment and it's really nice. So by the time you guys see this video, I will have already moved into my official apartment. And let's just go ahead and get started with the video. So when you first walk into the apartment, this is what it looks like. The kitchen is immediately on the left. The bedroom is right there, and then the bathroom's over here. This is the front door. I'm not gonna open it. Right here is the little shoe area. So I have my Air Force Ones that I wore on the way here, but I am wearing my slippers. I'm just wearing my Fila slippers. So I'm gonna start off with the little kitchen area. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty small kitchen. It's really cute. It's a good size just for one person. So I'll start off with the cabinet over here. I actually just put some of the food supplies that I was given. So I have my rice, my instant rice up here, my cupped noodles, and then I have instant meals here. So there's rice and like chicken and pork. I think this one's pork. And then I have just a big thing of seaweed over here. The washer is right beside it. Pretty typical in apartments here that the washer is in the kitchen. And then over here, this is just the cabinets under the sink. I put this towel here under the sink. So there's like knife holder, the tongs, the scissors would go here too. These are laundry detergent and fabric softener. And then I have a pan just in the corner. On the top here, I have this huge water bottle, the hot water kettle, which I use to make my instant soups. And then I have oil and soy sauce, salt, and pepper. I think this might be sugar. I don't really know. I have a toilet paper roll in here just to use as like paper towel. And then I have this electric burner, have a cutting board, and then this is the drying rack slash where the dishes are held because there's no storage cabinets, as you can see up here. The chopsticks, ladle, spoon, scissors. I have a pot, a mug, some plates and bowls. And then this is the sink and some soap back there just to clean it. I really like these lights up at the top. And then here's the fridge area. Microwave is just chilling on top there. And the fridge, this is what the stock is looking like. The government sent that box full of different kinds of soups, so I have them all just chilling here. And then more soups back here. My school gave bananas and clementines. I'm just keeping my fruit in here. I like to eat them cold. And there's like tuna and kimchi up there. These are perilla leaves. And then all of my water bottles are here. When you go over here, you have the closet area, and that's like leading you into the living room slash bedroom. So this is like the messiest part of the apartment for me, just because I unpacked some of my stuff just so there's easy access, so I'm not living out of my suitcase for 14 days. Basically, this closet is really nice. It's a double rod closet, so it gives you like extra storage and whatever. I'm kind of just living in like sweatpants and baggy t-shirts from my carry-on. Up here, it's kind of a mess. I have the boxes from the food that was delivered to me. This is another water bottle pack. I have my notebooks and stuff for when I'm studying, my pencil case and hairbrush. I have my makeup brushes here, some disinfectant wipes, my face washing headband, my palettes are here, makeup is in here, makeup wipes. This is all like my skincare stuff that I use every single day. My face moisturizer, I have my perfume, and then I have my thermometer here. I have to take my temperature 3 times a day. This is my little quarantine package with like masks and whatever, disinfectant. And these are biohazard bags, and then the towels and extra toilet paper, Q-tips and stuff that was given. And then down here, I just have my coat that I wore traveling. My laundry is just chilling there. the outfit that I wore in my Instagram post. If you haven't seen it already, go check out my Instagram. I have sweatpants and my tripod and ring light in there. So yeah, this is a mess. Go over here, this little area, I'm using it kind of as the storage again. So there's a TV here. I have my tote bag just chilling there with the garbage. In this box, this is the quarantine supply package that I got with all the soups and stuff. I have a biohazard bag in there just with all of my trash, just because I'm supposed to keep it in there for now. And then all of my suitcases are just chilling over here. And then you go over here, this is the bed. I believe this is a super single. It's bigger than a twin, but smaller than a double. They gave me a warmer blanket than the one that was originally here because it's been getting kind of cold here. And then here's the window. I have 2 windows in this apartment. I believe this is the AC unit. And then beside the bed, I actually took one of the stools from the little dinner table and I'm using it as a nightstand. So I just have like my glasses case, my Apple Watch, and my charging cable just chilling there. And then, oh, on this window, there's like a little cup thing, and this is the remote for the TV. So I guess I can show you the view outside the window. So that's the view outside this window by the bed. And then you swing over here, you have another window, and this is the little dining area. There's this really cute simple table. The chairs are just the stools, but obviously it's just me, so only need the one chair, and I'm using the other one as a stand. I actually really like this lighting fixture. I think this lamp thing is really cute. There's a picture frame over here. I have a few outlets and stuff over here. This is the intercom, so when you need to buzz somebody in or whatever, you can see who's at the door. This is the heating for the floor, for the water, and then these are the lighting fixtures. So this is the other light. It's really, really bright, so I don't really like to have that one on. If I have a light, I like to have this one on and like the kitchen light, or I will just sit in the dark. But I'll also open up this so you just can look into the other buildings. This is like a little cleaning tool. It's honestly like a giant lint roller, and I use it to clean the floors to get like dust and hair off of it. So the last thing is the bathroom. There's this cute little floor mat that was here. Oh yeah, there was this decorative thing at the door too. So these are the different light switches and stuff for the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. The bathroom's actually really, really nice. Down here I have my Crocs and then those were the shower shoes that were provided for me, but I brought my own, so those are the shoes that I use. I'm just gonna step into them. Hello, that is me. Over here you have like the sink. There's a soap bar. This is my face wash, my mouth guard, floss. Toothpaste and toothbrushes were provided, but I brought my own. And then here's the shower head. I don't really like the way that it's placed. I kind of wish it would be like beside the mirror so I could just stand and shower rather than like actually holding it and showering. And there's the mirror. It's a nice size. The toilet's here. So it's a classic wet room style. My towel is here, toilet paper. There's another window for ventilation, and then they had shampoo and body wash and like conditioner and stuff, so I'm just using that so I don't have to take out my stuff. And then there is a hair dryer as well, and then this is like the outlet. Washroom's really nice. I enjoy it. It's pretty, I don't know, nice and clean. That's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on all my different social media accounts, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.